welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox two products that I have ordered from Myntra during the Great Festival. So let's start the video. This is my parcel. I have ordered this from Myntra. So let's see what is there inside this. Actually I ordered jeans, and here is my name because they married. So let's open it and see. This is the you can see this is the jean. The cloth is not that bad. It's good. I'm going to try this.
Okay.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love.
And this is my another product from Myntra itself, and I have already prepared UPI.
There must be a pair of shoes because I ordered pair of shoes.
Original price is around 1500, so I have got it at 1149. Let's unbox it. Here is the shoe. It's really good, perfect. I really like the product. It's 40 size. I have ordered you can see this.